Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all well. Hope you've all had a great week. And it's Friday again. It's come around quick, I tell you. I can't believe how quick these weekends come around. But anyway, unfortunately there's no project this week. The reason being, I've got something a little bit more important to get across to you guys and talk to you guys about. It's about this. I don't know if you're aware about this little girl McKenna, but a group of makers, or the makers community, are trying to do a fundraiser for her family. And I'm just going to read from this piece of paper here. Basically, this is the basics of what's happened to this little girl. McKenna is a beautiful 3-year-old girl whose life was turned upside down when a mass was discovered on one of her kidneys. It had grown through a vein into her heart. She was rushed for tests and treatment in the Children's Hospital in Philadelphia. Sunday, January the 20th, McKenna successfully completed open heart surgery and kidney tumour removal surgery. She is doing well and entering the next phase in her recovery process. As everybody knows, medical costs are never small, and McKenna's family have been side-blinded by massive costs as well as emotional turmoil and life upheaval. So what I'm basically asking you guys is to try and help this family as much as we can. And the way we can do that is Steve Twydale of Temple Boy Turning. You've perhaps heard of him. I hope you have, because he's a good turner. And he's got a heart of gold, bless him. Started up this thing a few years ago called Make It Matters. And what he's doing with, also, as we know, Steve Twydale is part of the Makers International podcast. So Steve, Chris Q, Jamie Page and Richard Morley have all decided to help this. They've all come together to help this family. So what Steve has done on his webpage, templeboyturn.com, I'll put a link below for this. He's decided to run an auction, and there's two ways you're able to help this family. The first way is to donate. So if you're a maker, or even if you just make bits and bobs in your garage and you feel that you've got an item that you could donate, it could be materials that you got laying around, pen blanks, bits of offcuts of wood that could be turned into resin bowls, or turned into other stuff, old tools laying around. If you can donate those to help generate a bit of revenue for the family, that's great. That would be absolutely amazing. So if you've got those and you'd like to donate, then what you need to do, I'm just going to check on the computer here, what you need to do is go to Steve's webpage and fill in an application form to donate. So I'll just show you how to do that. I'll just turn the camera around and show you. Right guys, so once you're on Temple Boy Turner's webpage, again it's www.templeboyturnings, all one word, .com, and that'll bring you up to his main home page. So then just click on donate projects here, and then you can scroll down, obviously fill in the application form, upload a couple of pictures of what you got. If you've made a video of what you're donating, then you can add that there. Do you want to add a reserve price, yes or no? If so, add the reserve price. And then you've got your shipping options here, where you can, I will pay for shipping worldwide, I will pay shipping to my own country, or it says take the cost of shipping from the final settlement, or contact me after the auction. Obviously if you can afford to absorb the cost of shipping, then obviously that's more money going to the family. If unfortunately you can't afford to absorb the cost of shipping, then the shipping cost will come out of the winning bids value. But obviously the more we take from the family, the less they're getting. So if you can afford to shipping or absorb the shipping costs, then that's great. Even if you can only afford to ship it to the country you're in at the time, it's obviously helping. So, you know what I mean, do as much as you can. All I'm asking is do as much as you can. So anyway, once you've filled all that in, obviously you read the terms and conditions, and then you donate your project. So that's how you donate, and easy as that. And then Steve will add it, as I will show you quickly. Steve will then add it to the list of auctions that are already. So there are some, as you can see, there are some absolutely stunning prizes that have been donated. So, and the thing is, it could be anything. You mean, it can be just offcuts of wood that somebody might be able to make a box out of. Somebody's donated some pen blanks. Anything you've got a chance to donate, then donate, because at the end of the day, it all helps. So anyway, guys, that's how you donate. So I hope you can help that way. Right, so if when you've done that, you send your pictures across, and then Steve will add it to the list of donated items for auction. So if you haven't got anything that you can donate, you're still able to help by registering to bid on the auction. You can't bid unless you're registered on the website. So again, you need to go to Steve's website, which is templeboyturner.com, and I'll just show you how to register. So I'll turn the camera around and show you that now. Right, so if you want to register to be able to bid on items, if you click on Make It Matters pages, it will take you through to this page. If you scroll down to here, if you would like to register as an auction bidder, please click here, click there, and that'll take you through to a registration form that if you fill in the form and then submit it, you'll be able to bid on the auction that's between the 21st and the 28th of February. So that's how you register to bid. If you can obviously bid and help this family, then great. So pop over to Steve's page, and if you want to have a look at what the items are that are for auction, then obviously just click on the gallery. So I hope you can help with that. So once you're registered, the auction is only for a week, and it starts at midnight on the 21st of February GMT time and runs through till the 28th of February at midnight GMT time. And then within that week's period, you'll have chances to bid on any item you want to bid on, and if you're the winning bidder, then you will win it. And the good thing is, all the costs are going straight back to the family. So I hope you guys can help. I would be much appreciated if any of you can just, even if you just go and bid, or you know, if you go hunting through your workshop and find something that you feel you could donate, great, just do it. I mean, it doesn't matter whether it's a couple of quid, it's still helping the family. And obviously we all know that America's costs for medical care are expensive, and we want to try and help them as much as we can. And at the end of the day, I don't know about you, I've got 2 daughters, and if this happened to one of my daughters, I don't know what I'd be doing, and I don't know, I just can't even imagine what their family's going through. My heart goes out to the little girl and her family, because I don't even want to think about putting myself in their shoes, because I don't know what happened to me. So if you can help, I'd be very much appreciated to try and help. Again, go over to Temple Boy Turner's website, check it out. Even if you want to donate a few quid for just a few quid, donating straight to the charity, that's great. Just help as much as you can. Let's help this family as much as we can. And the only other thing is that I am so grateful to be in this makers community where we have people like Steve Twidell, Chris Q, Jamie Page and Richard Morley, who are prepared to go above and beyond to help this family. Amazing. Where else in the country or a world would we stick together like that? So anyway, guys, hope you can help. I hope this hasn't been too boring for you. Let's try and help this family. So anyway, guys, take care, speak to you soon, and bye for now.